Think all singers hide behind autotune? Not these artists. Their raw vocals prove they don't need it. Number 3, Sabrina Carpenter. Her recent live performances show she can hit those same studio perfect notes on stage, no autotune, just pure vocal.
Please, 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 don't bring me to tears and I'll just get my makeup so nice.
Number 2, Ariana Grande. Known for her insane whistle notes and vocal agility, Ariana delivers flawless live shows that sound almost identical to her recordings. Number 1, Lady Gaga. From Shallow to her Oscar performance, Gaga's raw vocals hit hard without any digital help. She's proof that talent speaks louder than effects.
On the floor.